Sorry, I don't think anyone can give you the example because once you marry right, that will never happen. Yes, quite all right, quite all right. Times will come where it will be as if the love is dropping. That is why the understanding is there. That is why you have to marry the right person. All you need to do is to make sure you marry the right person.
And it's the stages to marry the right person I'm giving you now.
There can hardly be change. That's why he or she is the right person for you. Because even when you are at your lowest point, he or she is there to pull you up. Vice versa.
Yes, please.
Now. So I don't think there is anything like change. Anyone that marries you, betting you, loving you, like you said, and all of a sudden change. He has been showing you that character in courtship. Again, he has been showing that character. It's just that you are blinded enough to not see it. That is why at times it's good when friends that are close to you and your hobby are talking to you. See what this guy is doing. Are you sure you can do this? Don't go and be fighting for the guy. Even if you're not going to talk bad about the guy in that moment, draw back and think. Take that love out of your head first and think. What is that this people are saying? Will I accept this? Can I deal with this baggage? If you can't deal with it, don't go continue. Because once he get married to you, maybe maybe because you spent money recklessly, for example, and it was like, are you crazy? Are you stupid? Don't know how to get money. Don't claim that he's angry because he spent 10 million. No. Madam, tomorrow, if you spoil your shoe, he will give you better luck. That's just the plain truth. He's going to give better luck. So if he really loves you and is the right man for you, babe, you don't spend our money for the month too. And I'm going to you go this week. So go prepare Gary. If you see Gary, go drink. Quite right, go through that pain. Yeah, you know, say you messed up. You have to fix things as time goes on. You get. But if you know they chant down for you, they shout for you, they won't beat yourself. And people they go like men beat you, madam. Run for your life.
No, you not go run. No, you not go run. Now you go marry, finish. You can't say he change. He change. He don't used to beat me before. No worry. I go clear.
With Viscotis, you talked about. Sorry if I'm not your name. You talked about God loving, hating divorce, and loving divorcee. Everything has been spelled out. You don't have to put yourself in that position. You don't have to put yourself in the position of being a divorcee. You get. You don't have to put yourself and expect God to pity you at the tail end while you are divorced. You get. If you do everything as it ought to be, you're going to meet up with the right person. And that right person will never make you a divorcee. You get. It's only when like the verse you read, all you read, you didn't see where God said he loved divorcee. You only read that God hates divorce. But you didn't read that God liked divorcee. You get. God love everybody, even a criminal, even these two people we are crying about, God love him.
Yes.
All you need to do is to change.
Yes.
All you need to do is to repent.
Yes.
You get. So all you need to do is to make sure that you marry the right person, make sure you're with the right person. Take your time, don't rush. Marriage is internal, marriage is a lifetime something. You don't need to rush into it. All you need to do is take your time, a step after another. Make sure that the major boxes
are ticked. Major boxes. Not come bobo me.
Make sure that the major boxes are being ticked. Once the major boxes are being ticked, you are good to go. Yeah. You get. Don't just dabaru, the guy get money, he spend money, he love it. Yeah, he take me to Paris, he take me to Dubai, buy me 500,000. They carry me 400,000 for your head. What your father do?
Hey, not really Paris. Now Paro.
Something.
All right, thank you, sir. So 4 minutes. Go on, bro. 4 minutes.
Yeah, the thing is this, I'm privileged to work with a relationship and marriage ministry, right? And I've had access to lots and countless of marriages broken right before my very eyes, and I've seen a lot of people struggle with different facets of their marital status and what have you. Some even very young couples said. Now, one thing that I am seeing that is like a weapon fashion against this generation is this, but social media is very terrible. but there's one narrative they are pushing in a subtle manner. For instance, now, when you see people ask questions that at what point should I divorce my husband, or at what point should I divorce my wife, you now see people now dropping the aspect that marriage na hard work. You understand? No matter who you are before you get into the marriage, you understand? It takes hard work to make your own work out. You understand? Because the verdicts, or a lot of people feel like, okay, if the man just by any means raise his hand or even raise his voice against you understand, the next thing is to fight for divorce. A lot of, I'm sorry to say, but majority of the female folks, they tend to do stuff that will just, maybe if they're already tired of the marriage, or maybe there are one or two things they don't like about the marriage, or maybe their expectation is not met again. You understand? The next thing you are seeing is that they start putting this facade, they start putting up attitude or anger the man. In fact, see, there are some nasty things I cannot say here that I have seen and I've heard that happen in marriages that is unbelievable.
My brother.
You understand?
My brother, thank you so much for what you have said, though. You see, you, I, everybody here, we have actually said the same thing. I want to summarize by saying this.